One possibility is that it really was a signal from deep space coming from some other society.
In August 1977, a radio telescope in the United States recorded something that science could not explain. It was not random noise. It was not an equipment failure. And it was not something astronomers were searching for at that moment. The signal appeared suddenly, remained for a short time, and then vanished completely. It lasted exactly 72 seconds. No more, no less.
They went back the next night and listened. Nothing. Next month, nothing. Years later, nothing.
When scientists later reviewed the data, one of them circled the signal and wrote a single word beside it, "Wow." That brief reaction would later become associated with one of the most mysterious signals ever detected from space. Decades later, the signal has never returned, and no official explanation has been accepted. This is the story of a signal that science observed once and refused to name. The signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. At the time, Big Ear was part of a long-term scientific project designed to monitor the sky for unusual radio emissions. Unlike modern telescopes, it did not move or track objects. Instead, it remained fixed while Earth's rotation slowly brought different regions of space into view. On the day the signal was recorded, nothing unusual was noticed in real time. There were no alarms or alerts. The discovery happened later during routine data analysis. What immediately stood out was the signal's strength. It was far stronger than background cosmic radiation. Even more unusual was its frequency. The signal appeared close to the hydrogen line, a frequency considered significant because hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. The signal originated from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation near the center of the Milky Way. After 72 seconds, it disappeared completely and was never detected again. Scientists were puzzled not only by the signal's strength, but by its structure. Natural cosmic signals usually spread across a wide range of frequencies. This one was narrow and precise. Such signals are uncommon in known natural processes. Artificial signals, such as those created by human technology, are often narrow as well. This immediately raised questions. Researchers checked for possible interference from aircraft, satellites, and ground-based transmitters. None matched the timing, direction, or frequency. Equipment malfunction was also investigated, but engineers found no issues with the telescope. The biggest problem was repetition. The signal was never detected again, despite years of continued observation of the same region of space. Without repetition, verification was impossible. In science, a single unrepeatable event cannot be confirmed. The signal became an anomaly, real, recorded, but isolated. Over the years, scientists proposed several explanations. One theory suggested that a passing comet released a cloud of hydrogen gas, briefly producing the signal. Another idea involved rare natural cosmic phenomena that have not yet been fully understood. Some researchers considered reflections of human-made signals from space debris or distant transmitters. Each theory explained certain aspects of the signal, but none explained everything. The signal's exact frequency, its precise duration, and its complete disappearance remained difficult to justify. Importantly, none of these theories could be tested again. Without another detection, every explanation remained hypothetical. As time passed, new technology improved, but the opportunity to observe the signal again never returned. The mystery survived not because of lack of effort, but because the evidence could not be reproduced. Unlike many astronomical discoveries, this signal was never officially classified. Scientists deliberately avoided giving it a definitive name. In science, naming something implies understanding. In this case, understanding did not exist. Declaring the signal artificial would require proof. Declaring it natural would require confirmation. Neither was available. Informally, it became known as the "wow" signal, named after the handwritten note made by the astronomer who first noticed it. But this was never an official conclusion. It was simply a human reaction to something unexpected. The decision not to name the signal reflects an important scientific principle. Curiosity alone is not enough. Evidence must come first. Until then, Restraint is necessary. Today, the signal remains unexplained. It has never been detected again. No source has been confirmed, and no final explanation has been accepted. It exists as a single moment frozen in recorded data. Some scientists believe it represents an unknown natural phenomenon. Others see it as proof of how little we still understand about the universe. Whatever the truth may be, the signal stands as a reminder of scientific discipline. Instead of forcing an answer, researchers chose patience. They chose not to name what they could not explain. In a universe filled with noise, this one brief signal continues to raise questions. Not because of what it was, but because of what it left behind. Until another signal appears, the mystery remains open. If real mysteries like this keep you curious, consider subscribing for more true stories hidden within science and history.